Good day, everyone. We are Group 7 from Section TMT-202. Today, we will be presenting our research proposal entitled Effect of Travel Blogs on Tourist Choice of Local Destinations for our subject Math in the Modern World. Before we begin, I will introduce out contributions to this research. I am Garcia Shea Nicolette, and I serve as the task giver and scriptwriter. The Guzman Princess Anika is also one of the scriptwriters of this study. Dungkara Luis is our video editor of this presentation. Serrano Sheena Kelly is our PowerPoint editor of this presentation. And Soliman Rences Jewel is also one of the scriptwriters. Now, let us proceed to our presentation.
Nowadays, travel blogs play an important role in modern tourism. These blogs provide information through written content, photos, and videos. They also share personal reviews and real travel experiences. Because of this, many tourists rely on travel blogs before choosing where to go. However, even if travel blogs are very popular, there are still limited quantitative studies that measure their actual impact on tourist destination choices. This is why our study focuses on this topic.
This study will benefit different groups. For tourism stakeholders, this can help them improve their marketing strategies. For travel bloggers, this can guide them in creating more effective content. For local government units, this can help promote local tourism destinations. And for students and researchers, this study can serve as a reference for future research.
Our study aims to answer the following questions. First, what information do tourists get from travel blogs? Second, which aspect of travel blogs is the most influential to tourists? And third, is there a significant relationship between blogs and tourists' choice of local destinations? These questions guide the entire research process. This study aims to analyze how travel blogs influence tourists' choice of local destinations. Today, tourists increasingly depend on online travel information, especially blogs, but the exact level of influence of travel blogs is still not clearly measured. So, our research addresses this gap by using quantitative methods to better understand the relationship between travel blogs and tourist decisions.
This slide shows our conceptual framework. The independent variables include travel blog content, photos and videos, and reviews. These factors influence the dependent variable, which is the tourist choice of local destinations. This framework explains how travel blogs affect tourist decisions.
Our study uses a quantitative research approach with a descriptive correlational design. This design is used to describe tourists' exposure to travel blogs and to determine the relationship between travel blogs and destination choices. This study has two hypotheses. The null hypothesis states that travel blogs have no significant effects on tourist choice of local destination. On the other hand, the alternative hypothesis states that travel blogs has a significant effects on tourists' choice of local destinations. This hypothesis will be tested using statistical analysis.
Our research instrument is a researcher-made questionnaire. It consists of the respondents' demographic profile, their exposure to travel blogs, and their choice of tourist destinations. This instrument is designed to gather quantitative data.
The data gathering process includes 4 steps. First is the preparation and validation of the questionnaire. Second is the distribution of the survey to the respondents. Third is the collection of the accomplished questionnaires. And lastly, the organization and tabulation of the collected data.
The respondents of this study are local tourists who read travel blogs. We will use random sampling as our sampling technique. This ensures that every respondent has an equal chance of being selected.
Ethical considerations are observed in this study. Participation is voluntary. Respondents' identities are kept confidential. Informed consent is secured, and all data gathered will be used for academic purposes only.
To summarize, our research examines the effect of travel blogs' tourist choice of local destination. It focuses on blog content, photos, videos, and reviews. It uses a quantitative descriptive correlational design. Data is collected through a researcher-made questionnaire. The results aim to support better promotion of local tourism.
In conclusion, this study aims to understand how travel blogs influence tourist choice of local destinations. Thank you for your time and listening to our presentation.